In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Freshsales with HubSpot in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and logging in to your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Connected Apps section and open the App Marketplace. This is where HubSpot allows you to install and manage integrations. Search for Freshsales in the marketplace and click Install once you find it. During the setup process, you'll be asked to enter your Freshsales subdomain and API key. Make sure you already have these details ready from your Freshsales account, as they are required to securely link both platforms. Follow the on-screen authorization steps to complete the connection. After the apps are connected, you'll move on to field mapping. This step ensures that important data such as names, emails, companies, and deals sync correctly between Freshsales and HubSpot. Simply match the Freshsales fields with the corresponding HubSpot fields to keep your data accurate and organized. Next, choose your sync direction. You can set it to sync data one way or both ways, depending on how you want information to flow between the two platforms. You'll also be able to choose how often the sync runs, either in real time or on a scheduled basis. Once everything looks good, review your settings and click Save and Sync to activate the integration. That's it. Your Freshsales and HubSpot accounts are now connected and will stay updated automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.